It is an important day for two union ministers, that is including Rajnath Singh as well as Smriti Irani, because they're going to be filing their nominations. In fact, let's tell you that they're also going to be leading mega road shows ahead of that particular nomination. Now, Rajnath Singh, of course, is fighting from the Lucknow seat, but Smriti Irani will be fighting from the Amethi seat. Remember, in terms of course, how this has panned out for them previously, both did win victoriously in the previous election. Will that happen again? Of course, only time is going to tell, but in terms of that, both of them will be filing those crucial nominations today. In fact, right before, both of them did file nominations. Both of them, respectively, in their particular constituencies, went and offered prayers. In fact, you're looking at these particular visuals on your screens as well, where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is accompanied by BJP's Sudhanshu Trivedi in these images on your screen at the moment. As far as people accompanying Rajnath Singh for this day is concerned, we do understand that UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be accompanying Rajnath Singh during his nomination, along with Uttarakhand Chief Minister, that is Pushkar Singh Dhami. While we talk about Smriti Irani, of course, she will be filing it from Amethi. We understand Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav will be accompanying the leader. But for the moment, we're telling you about the fact that Rajnath Singh, of course, will be filing the nomination. But we're also understanding that BJP Amethi office, where Smriti Irani and MP CM Mohan Yadav will come. Both the leaders will start the roadshow from BJP office till Collectorate, where Smriti Irani will be filing her nomination.
Union Minister Smriti Irani will be filing her nominations today here in Amethi. She will be accompanied by the Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Yadav. You can see in the visual, these are the ruts on which both the leaders will embark, and then they will head towards the collectorate where Smriti Irani will be filing her nominations. And you can also see in the visuals, this is the BJP office in Amethi, where a number of BJP supporters have gathered over here. The cultural performance have also been organized, and a large number of women have come to support Smriti Irani at the BJP office. Smriti Irani will be coming here at around 11 a.m. with Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Yadav, and then they will head towards Collectorate to file the nomination of Smriti Irani. What we are being told is that Smriti Irani will be filing her nomination at around 12 p.m. here in Amethi.